So question 3. A farmer had 64 cows. He sold 37.5% of them. How many cows did he sell? Well, the key piece of information here is 37.5%. Now, if you don't know what that is as a fraction, the first step is we put it over 100, and next thing we have to do is try and get rid of the halves. So to get rid of the halves, we will multiply by 2. Okay? So 2 times 37 is 74. 74 plus 1, because 2 times a half is 1, so that's 75. All right, we'll multiply 2 by 100 as well, so that's 200. Next thing we have to do is we simplify what can go into both 75 and 200. The answer is 25, so we're left with 3/8. Okay, so that is equal to 3/8. So to find out how many cows they sell, we will divide by the bottom, multiply by the top, and that will give their answer to question 3. Question 4, what is 12.5% of 96? Again, we have to change 12.5 or 12.5% into a fraction. Well, first of all, 12.5 is 12.5, so we put it over 100, and again, we're going to multiply it by 2. So 12.5 times 2 is 25. And 2 times 100 is 200. Now we simplify. So what can both go into 25 and 200? The answer is 25. So that will go in 1 and 8 times. So again, this is somewhere we divide by the bottom, multiply by the top. Question 5. Elaine spent 0.7% of her €200 buying a coat, the coat cost. So what we do is we change the decimal into a fraction. So it's 77 over 100. And again, we divide by the bottom, multiply by the top. Question 6. Increase 36 by 36.33%. So we change 33.33% into a fraction. So we put 33.33 over 100. And to get rid of the third, we multiply by 3 because 3 is on the bottom of the fraction. So when we multiply by 100, we're going to be left with 100 on the top. And we're going to be left with 300 on the bottom. And when we simplify that, we're going to be left with 1/3. So to increase this by 1/3, so we will divide by the bottom, multiply by the top, and whatever answer we get, we'll add it on. That's important. We add it on for increasing, okay? Now, decrease 72 by 37.5%. Well, we learned 37.5% was 3/8. So we will divide by the bottom, multiply by the top, and this time, since we're decreasing, we will subtract it. So have a go at doing that.